Hey, Dr. Shakib here from Irvine Spinal Wellness Center, your Irvine Chiropractor. I'm going to tell you a quick little thing you can do at work, and you should obviously do it every single day that you go to work to save your neck, to save your back, to save your health. So it has to do with what's called a mini break. Mini break means mini breaks. So you actually, believe it or not, set your timer on your phone, and when the timer goes off, you don't shut it off and continue on. What I really like for you to do is to get a standing up seated desk. So you stand up for an hour and then you sit for an hour. And when you sit, I really would like for you to sit on an air cushion. I'm gonna put a video link to this one after this video is over, so you can see what an air cushion looks like. But anyway, back to the mini breaks. What you want to do is you want to stand up for an hour, and there is a whole setup that you need to be careful for, actually you set it up once and then it's all done. And then when you're in a seated position, you have it set up for the seated position, like, you know, the positioning of your computer, your keyboard, and all that jazz. So then your work environment is ergonomic friendly. I'm going to include a checklist that I have on my website. You guys are more than welcome to go there and use that. And if you want, I don't mind, just go ahead and email me your pictures, and I'll take a look and give you my input. But anyway, so that's what you do. Between the standing and sitting position, or vice versa, when your hour is up, instead of sitting, I really want you to go grab some water and drink half of your bottle and then fill it up. Chances are you're going to come back and you're going to have to go pee, which is so helpful in increasing the movement and activity to your day, and also basically releasing all the toxins from your body. So it's multifaceted. And then when you're at the in the bathroom and washing your hands, I really want you to tuck under your pelvis. Tucking under your pelvis, I'm going to include a video at the end of this so you see what that looks like. And then what you do is you tuck under, you wash your hands during the whole time you're tucked under, which helps the curvature in your lower back and opens up the space between each two vertebrae, which is so important in avoiding arthritic changes. And then you go and sit down if you have to sit down this time. And then when the timer goes off, or if you have to go pee, then you do the same thing. These are little things that maybe add a couple of extra minutes of distraction from work, but you're so worth it, because guess what? All these couple minutes that distract you and make you avoid doing it the right way are going to lead to lower back problems, neck pain, issues down your legs and your arms, and just fatigue and exhaustion, which is actually going to slow down your performance. So you don't have to be rocket scientists to figure out which option is a better option. Anyway, I hope this helped. If you like what you saw, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video with other people. Everyone should know about this, and I see it every day, and I make sure all of my patients know about this. I'm going to make sure I put the links and the different videos that I refer to in this video. I also have a Facebook page where I interview experts in different fields related to health and better performance as a human being, that if you are not following, you won't get to see, because I don't put them on my YouTube channel. They're just too long and YouTube doesn't accept that. Anyway, hope that this helped. I love you guys. You definitely are the reason why I do these videos twice a week for the last who knows how many months. And if you have any questions, just make sure you contact me. I'll put all the information down at the bottom. You guys take care.